We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning back in to get the details on this unit. Oh my goodness. Isn't it cute? Like, I'm really outdid myself, y'all. Like, I really outdid myself. Okay, anyways, enough of the Heba Jabba. This unit is from Queen Label Hair Collection. I have worked with this company before. I'm actually a brand ambassador for this company. So this is the second time that I've gotten, this is actually a unit. This is not bundles that I made into a customized unit. This is a manufactured unit, I guess you could call it that. But I sort of kind of have mixed feelings about manufactured units. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. It gives me a weird feeling in the back. Like, it's not, my head is so small and it just feels like I don't have any security back there. Like I don't know y'all. But anyways, yeah. So this unit is from Queen Label Hair Collection. Okay, first and foremost, let me just announce that we are doing a giveaway. Hey, yes, sis, I said it, we're doing a giveaway. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all the details on that, but first let's get to this unit itself. All right, so this unit is from Queen Label Hair Collection, and it's 150%. It's 150 density. But the unit is 150% density. It was 14 inches, and your girl cut it. Okay, cause you know when I do me a bob, I likes me a bob. Okay, so yes, I cut it to this little asymmetrical, and then I did a little feather bang. Okay, just a little something, a little razzle dazzle. I didn't want to do color with this unit. I wanted it to stay nice, cute, simple, and easy. Okay, so I bleached the knots, I plucked the frontal, and I cut it and feathered the back. So this is a free part wig. You can basically part it anywhere, but y'all see I got me a little nice nasty side part right here. Okay, and I did pluck my part. So I plucked my part, I plucked my frontal, and I also plucked the little baby hairs that I do have right there. So yeah, and okay, as far as packaging, it came in this little baggie right here, which is cute. A little satchel you can, you know, carry and reuse. And this just gives little details on the wig itself. So it's 150% density. It was 14 inches, and it's free part. So I would say as far as the frontal on the wig, it's about this much of parting space. Like, okay, so there will be one winner, and the prize will actually be a blunt bob like this. Okay, let me just get my phone out just in case, because I don't want to give you guys no wrong thing. Okay, basically it's pretty simple. The giveaway itself is pretty simple. What you have to do is follow me on Instagram. Follow your girl on Instagram. Okay, what you already should be doing, sis. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Queen Label Hair Collection. Follow their Instagram page. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you go to Instagram on the Queen Label Hair Collection, on Queen Label Hair Collection page, there will be a post flashing giveaway, and that's going to be going on for the rest of this month. Basically, you'll post your favorite emoji. So to the details of the actual prize, it's going to be a lace bob wig like this. And it's gonna have I think it's actually gonna be like customized, so it's gonna have 10, 12, or 14 inches. So yeah, basically the winner would be announced like 1 month. So we basically have a whole month to get everything done. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Queen Label Hair Collection on Instagram. Post your little emoji, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And after that, once the month is over with, we'll be announcing the winner, baby. Yes, okay. So let's get down to this video. I really wasn't able to record me actually cutting the bob, because I had some first I started on the mannequin, then I put it on my head. And another thing that I have to say, disclaimer, you guys, you know that I do not like oh my god, I do not like using the glue method, the got to be glued, any type of glue to glue down a lace. I usually use a elastic band. So this time I decided to step outside of the box and try the ball cap method, which was actually pretty neat. Like, I really like the process of the ball cap method. The only thing that I don't like I mentioned earlier, I do not like the glue. Like, I just can't get with the glue. So I stepped outside my comfort zone for you guys, and I really hope that you like it. But I did not get the chance to record me actually cutting the bob. I bleached the knots. I actually installed the wig for you guys, and I cut the lace. Like, I did a lot, and I hope you guys really like and enjoy this video. So yes, baby girl, tune in. Okay, let's get to the video.
Digits on the beat. Digits on the beat.